Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to download the Geospatial Data Abstraction Library, or GDAL, which needs to be downloaded prior to running the utility Terrain Files Converter. It only needs to be downloaded once and linked to Terrain Files Converter. After that, you can use Terrain Files Converter freely in preparation for running AirMap. In order to download the Geospatial Data Abstraction Library, or GDAL, the first thing you want to do is go to our website, which is providenceoris.com. From the website, you'll head on over to the Resources menu over on the right-hand side, and then scroll down to where it says Other Links. Click on Other Links, and then scroll down to the Geospatial Data Abstraction Library listing. Here it is right here, Geospatial Data Abstraction Library, GDAL. And in this place on our network, we will always link to whatever the right version of GDAL is. This changes from time to time, but whatever the current version is that works with whatever the current version of Terrain Files Converter is. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click this link. At this point, I need to decide where on my hard drive I'm going to store this GDAL file. It can be really anywhere you'd like on your hard drive. The simplest place is to put it directly on the C drive. I'm going to come out here and right-click to make a new folder. And I'm going to go down to my C drive, make a new folder. And I'm going to call this, where did it put that? Okay. I'm going to put a new folder on my C drive. I'm going to right-click out here, new folder. Oh, here it is. It just took a minute to pop up. I'm going to call this new folder GDAL creatively. And the zip file, I'm going to go inside that folder. I'm going to save this zip file in that new GDAL folder. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and look inside that folder because I'm going to have to go ahead and unzip the GDAL file. So from my download history, I can show in folder here. It's opened this up in another window for me. So inside GDAL, I have my zip file. I'm going to right click on it and unzip it. I have a program called pzip, but you can use WinZip or any other 7-zip or whatever zipping program you'd like. And I'm going to extract it. Okay, so now that file is unzipped, there's like a couple of subfolders and a bunch of other stuff. It's not really important. We're not going to dig into the contents of GDAL. We just need it all downloaded. Okay, so now that we have the files in our GDAL folder, I can close this. And now I need to open Beast. This can be a file that you're working in. It can be a brand new Beast file. It doesn't matter. But the last part of this is we have to link our Terrain Files Converter, which is inside of Beast, to our GDAL files. So in order to do that, we'll open Beast. And then we will go to the Run menu here. Under Run, we're going to run the Terrain Files Converter utility right here. Click on that. And you should get a pop-up with the Terrain Files Converter in it. In the Help menu, within the Terrain Files Converter menu, click that. Oh, I'm sorry, the File menu, not the in the File menu for Terrain Files Converter, you go down to where it says Preferences right here, File Preferences. And then you have to tell Terrain Files Converter where your files are at. It looks like the last time I did this, I gave the same name, CGDAL. But if you hit the Browse button, you find the folder where you've actually put all of these unzipped GDAL files, which is mine is just CGDAL, and hit OK. It's the same path as I had last time. And then you hit OK. Oh, yeah, it's updated it to its capital G now. I'll hit OK, and now Terrain Files Converter is ready to run.